How to text images and videos using MMS with easy texting. An SMS or short message service is simply a text message that's 160 characters or less. But what if you need to send more than 160 characters or attach an image, audio, or video file? That's when your text message is now considered an MMS or multimedia messaging service. To get started, click on the New Message button at the top left of your account. You will see the Enter Numbers, Contacts, or Groups area, where you can type in individual contacts manually or click on previously created groups to send your message to. You also have the option to add your company name to the message, but this is optional. If you want to send a message of more than 160 characters, simply click the SMS label in the bottom right of your message screen. This will change your message from SMS to MMS, and your character count will automatically expand from 160 to 1600 characters. To attach media like an image, audio, or video file, click the media icon at the bottom left of the message screen. You can choose either Pick from Library, which allows you to select from files already uploaded to your account, or Upload New. To upload a new file, simply drag and drop your media to attach your file, or click the Choose File button to find it on your computer. Once uploaded, your media will display at the top of your message. You can send images up to 5 megabytes, and it will be automatically optimized for delivery when sending. For video and audio, you may send files up to 500 kilobytes. In the event that we cannot send your file as an MMS, it will be sent as a link instead. Compose the rest of the message you wish to send, and then choose to either send now or schedule for later. You also have the option to make your message a recurring message by clicking the Make This a Repeating Message checkbox. When you're finished, click the Review Message button. If everything looks okay, go ahead and click Send Message. A notification will display ensuring your message was sent. You have now successfully sent text images and videos using MMS with easy texting. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.